We are here in Kentucky getting ready for the National Senior Welding Competition coming up. It's going to be a huge day this Saturday. Don't worry, if you didn't register online, you can register here Saturday in person for our National Senior Welding Competition. So for those of you seniors out there who want to compete in our competition, and you can be from anywhere in the United States, come Saturday, bring your transcript, bring some proof that you are a high school senior, and sign up to compete that day. Let's go take a look at some of the prizes. As you can see, guys, there are a lot of prizes for our senior competition Saturday. Let's dive in and take a look at what we got. All right, we got tons of prizes from everybody. We got Flame Tech gauges, we got DeWalt tools, Craftsman tools, we got welding hoods from everybody, different companies. Pipeliners Cloud has sent us some of their hooch covers and their sunblocks. We got Lincoln Electric here sending us tons of welding machines as well. They're going to be outside during the event. The Union has got us a ton of Milwaukee packouts, as well as JK Welding has sent us some merch too. Again, Lincoln Electric. Miller has sent us tons of gear as well as welding machines as well. One of the hats fell over. Outlaw Leather sent us some stuff. Weld Tube has sent us some stuff, as well as Heavy Hitters. We got our KWI hats and logos. Tons of different companies and contractors have sent prizes. We got the G-strap designed headbands for your welding hoods, as well as Hitcraft bullet designs. So again, more Lincoln Electric stuff and from different companies. So as you can see, it's a lot here. Again, I might be missing some, but it is a ton of prizes for this Saturday at our National Senior Welding Competition. And also Miller and Lincoln has sent us some welding machines for our competition. So this is going to be the newer Bobcats, and this right here is the newer Rangers. So again, these machines look pretty sweet. They're going to be awesome on the back of your truck if you win. Again, tons of prizes, welding machines. You don't want to miss it this Saturday here at the Kentucky Welding Institute. If you're a senior, show up, register, compete, and win prizes and scholarships. See you there.